If you want to create faceless content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels without paying for expensive software, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make free faceless content using OBS Studio and CapCut, step by step, no camera, no showing your face, and no subscriptions. It's a simple process that anyone can follow. First, let's talk about what kind of faceless content works best. These are perfect for automation channels. Think about things like motivational quotes, affiliate marketing tips, facts about making money online, Bible stories, or even kid stories. The great thing is all you really need is text, some stock visuals, and either a voiceover or just captions. The possibilities are endless, so pick a niche that you're interested in and that has an audience. Now let's record the content using OBS Studio, which is 100% free. Open OBS and click Display Capture or Window Capture. This lets you record anything on your screen. You can record websites, stock footage you find online, quote slides you've made, or even AI tools in action. You can also just record yourself scrolling through visuals. Before you start, make sure to set your canvas to 1080 by 1920 pixels. This is the vertical format for shorts. Hit record and start capturing your content. You could be scrolling through stock videos, browsing a website with quotes, or just showing some cool background visuals. Open CapCut on your desktop or mobile. The free version works perfectly for this. Create a new project and import the recording you just made with OBS. The first thing you'll want to do is trim out any mistakes. This is where you'll start to see your video come together. It's where the magic really happens. Inside CapCut, click on the text tool, then add your main hook. For example, you could write something like, "The internet pays problem solvers." Now, go to the text-to-speech feature and choose a voice. CapCut has some great free AI voices built right in. If you don't want a voice at all, you can just use auto captions instead. This feature automatically generates captions from your text. To make your text more dynamic, turn on animations like fade, pop, or typewriter. And remember, for shorts, keep the text big, bold, and centered so it's easy to read on a phone. Next, add some light background music from CapCut's free library. Just make sure to keep the volume low so it doesn't overpower the voiceover or distract from the text. Now you're ready to export. Make sure your settings are 1080 by 1920 and that the video is either 30 or 60 seconds long. And just like that, your faceless short is ready to be uploaded. That's how I create free faceless content using just OBS Studio and CapCut. No face, no money. Just strategy. If you want my ready-made faceless scripts, hooks, and my complete automation system, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips.